Addiction is a multifaceted disease that not only takes a toll on the individual, but also profoundly affects their relationships with others. In this discussion, we will delve deep into how addiction impacts romantic relationships, friendships, and family dynamics, providing insights and examples to illustrate these effects. First, it's essential to understand what addiction entails. Addiction can refer to substance use disorders involving drugs or alcohol, as well as behavioral addictions like gambling, gaming, or even compulsive shopping. Regardless of the type, addiction is characterized by a compulsive drive to engage in these behaviors despite knowing the negative consequences. Now let's explore how addiction can impact romantic relationships. One of the most significant effects of addiction is the erosion of trust. When one partner struggles with addiction, they may resort to lying or hiding their behaviors to conceal their addiction. For instance, an individual might downplay their drinking habits or lie about where they've been, leading their partner to feel betrayed and disillusioned. This betrayal can create a chasm between partners where trust is irrevocably damaged. Moreover, addiction can lead to emotional withdrawal. The addicted partner often becomes consumed by their addiction, leading to a lack of emotional availability. They may prioritize their substance or behavior over their partner's emotional needs, resulting in feelings of neglect. For example, a partner who is addicted to gambling might miss important family events to chase after losses, leaving their significant other feeling unloved and abandoned. This emotional distance can foster resentment and loneliness as the non-addicted partner feels increasingly isolated. In addition to trust and emotional withdrawal, addiction can create significant financial strain in relationships. Many addictions can be costly, and the financial burden can lead to stress and conflict. Couples may find themselves arguing about money, with one partner feeling betrayed by the other's spending habits. For example, a partner addicted to drugs may drain savings or accumulate debt, leading to financial instability that affects both partners. This financial strain can create a toxic environment where blame and resentment flourish. Turning to friendships, addiction can create a sense of helplessness among friends. When a friend struggles with addiction, their other friends may feel frustrated and powerless to help. Friends often experience a roller coaster of emotions: worry, anger, and sometimes guilt for not being able to fix the situation. A friend with an addiction may cancel plans, become unreliable, or engage in risky behaviors, leading other friends to feel abandoned or betrayed. Over time, this can strain friendships, causing friends to distance themselves out of self-preservation or frustration. Family dynamics can also be deeply affected by addiction. Family members often experience a range of emotions, including anxiety, anger, and sadness. For instance, children of addicted parents may face neglect or emotional instability, which can have long-term consequences on their development. They may struggle with feelings of shame or confusion about their parents' behavior, leading to difficulties in their future relationships. In conclusion, addiction can wreak havoc on relationships, leading to a breakdown of trust, emotional distance, and communication barriers. It can create chaos within families and strain friendships. However, it's important to understand that healing is possible. Acknowledging the impact of addiction, seeking help, and working together can help rebuild trust and connection in relationships. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, please reach out for help. Remember, recovery is a journey that often requires support, and you are not alone in this struggle. Thank you for watching, and take care of yourselves and each other.